Ano ba na sabihin mo, ang tamang pamilya is 3. That's the boundary. 2 is the boundary 3. Then you supply them with, so that they will not be deprived of happiness of life. There's no such thing as you postpone the yung gana ng tao. Cannot be followed by the calendar. Bakit po? Why do you have to?
Wala yung... Wait lang, Mayor. Wala yung audio.
Test 1,
Yeah.
2.
Okay.
Test 1, 2. Pare, walang...
Okay.
Yung
Totoo.
drugs, Mayor, yung drugs. Kasi marami excited na ano eh.
Talagang sabi ko sa inyo, yung drug lords,
Ah.
all, delikado kayo talaga. Delikado kayo. I promised you that. Sabi ko, delikado kayo. Pag delikado kayo, bantay kayo.
About smuggling, Mayor.
All.
Right.
Sinong smuggler? Yung mga mayayaman. Kita mo yung mga kotse nila magpunta doon sa Senate hearing. Bota. Kotse, 2 Mercedes. Anak na, I was asked by Inares to trace the smuggling. I didn't have to go to the Intelligence Committee to produce the picture. Tapos ng kakampanyang eleksyon to, ang mga unggoy, sinabi pa ako raw ay corrupt. Corrupt sa imong. Kayo yan dyan, corrupt eh. Ano naman, corrupt namin dito sa Davao. Ubusin ko yung pangkoleksyon ng basura para But look at Davao, it's clean. O tignan mo yung hindi daw sila corrupt. Look at Manila.
Garbage.
Look at the projects of the national government. Kaya ako when I take my oath, it will be a private one. Physically, but it will be, I assure you, it will be live. Pero hindi ako finger food. Yung mga cookies na barato sa Quiapo, maraming bikiri dyan. Bakit ako gagastos? Ipakain ko na lang sa mga... Meron akong party, pero hindi ko sabihin para kanino. But I will have a shindig when I take my oath of office. Maybe in the afternoon and evening. Meron akong yayain mga ano ko. Hindi ako pakurni, but yung tao na ilangan ng... Yung kumain. Talagang kain. And I would see to it that they double their appetite that night or that afternoon. Yan ang pakainin ko. Bakit ako magpakain? Why would I spend money for you? Hindi naman kayo nga presyo. Sabi na, Duterte, masama ang bunganga niya. So be it. If you do not want to talk to me, fine. May nagtanong, are you ready to mend your ways? Why should I mend my ways? If you want to mend your ways, you do it, not me. Ayan, wala naman akong ginawa. Maraming ingay. Just in narration, then you are crucified when as a matter of fact, because you free the child and the nanny, and I will take their place. And I had to endure humility of being a hostage in my own office. And in a rage, I expressed the words, but I led the attack. And after firing one magazine, I told the soldiers, kill them all. O, patay lahat. So,
Ano, Mayor? Yung Abu Sayyaf natin, paano
all,
ma-deal yan?
itong Abu Sayyaf is connected with the Mindanao issue. Hindi ko kaagad ito para because there is something that's between the lines yan dyan eh. Because most of them are soldiers also of the MNLF noon or are still there. But I want to talk to Ms. Wari. I want to talk to Murad, and I will ask for a time to ask from the Filipino people and the NPA. Kita mo itong mga grupo nila Trillanes. Kaya na, Ayaw nila kasi raw ako nakikipag-usap doon sa NPA. And I am close to the rebels kila Murad pati kay Nurmi Suarez. Alang-alang, bakit ako makipaglamano yung tao na wala namang problema sa gobyerno? And this is, I said, part of nation building. 1521, when Magellan landed in Leyte, bringing with him Christianity, 100 years earlier, Mindanao was already Islam because it was a part of a different sultanate. Yan, Tawi-Tawi, Sabah, yan sila. They belong there. But pinilit ng Espanyol, pinilit ng Amerikano, na para maatin talaga, they fought the Spaniards, they fought the Americans, and they're fighting us. And I've been telling the Moro people, let us be realistic here. Hindi mo na kami mapaalis. At ako, may dugo akong Moro, pati mga anak ko, I have a line, they're puro Moro. So, ano bang gawin natin dito? And the Christians dominate the population. So we just have to talk. Give me time. It's not easy to craft a peace process there. So I need Doresa because he's an old hand. And I will ask Sonny Dominguez there, the top. He's the valedictorian of our class, but which I never, kasi na-expelled ako sa Ateneo. Paalis ako. Isa yan siya because I can trust him. Alan. And I don't know if Attorney Tugadi is here. Yung aming valedictorian sa San Beda sa College of Law. Now, as you would say, I have been honest enough to admit na 75 lang ako. Okay lang. Total, yung mga valedictorian naman, nagtatrabaho na sa akin. Ano ba naman problema ninyo?
Ikaw ng boss.
Yan ang ano ko. Yan muna ang initial ano ko. Carlos Dominguez III. Kababata ko, classmate ko pa, ay valedictorian. No? Hindi malugi ang Pilipina. And a true Filipino. Tugade, who is the Clark, itong Clark Air Base manager, ano yan siya? Valedictorian rin. Debater. Pareho siya ni debater. Ako, wala. Hindi ako nasali. Kaya ayaw man ang pare, pati brother. Hindi, wala. Doon lang kami sa Tabuan mag-debate noon. Diyan, sa labas ng Ateneo. But do not be surprised if I'll explain to you later. Karamihan dyan, puro military men. I have a sad experience as a mayor. Alam ko na. Basa ko lahat. May kapa ko lahat. Ayaw ko na lang mag-insulto, but I need men na pag sinabi mo yan kaagad. Diretso na. Yung gawin mo yan mismo. Wala nang maya na sir kay yung anak ko na ospital, baski wala. Yung lolo ko nasa punerarya, baski wala. Maraming ito, military man. Kung ba sinong namatay dyan, walang pakialam. Tagawin. I have called some of them who are in retirement but still working in the United States. Ang problema yung isa, nagtanggi talaga. Sabi niya na he wants to retire permanently and the family does not want it. But I think I will ask him again. I will have a talk with him because itong BIR pati customs mahirap to. And I have to look for a Secretary of Finance really who can be at it. Defense, marami. It will be an ex-military man. I have a target. Puro halos military ang mabigyan ko. Dito sa Davao, one of them is a general who used to be my city police director, chief of police, tawag na ngayon, noon. And si General La Peña, Sidro. So yan sila mga line-up. Taga Davao, halos others,
Ang Mayor, Bilibid Prison.
Lutuan.
Nakikinig ba sila ngayon?
Cooking ng drugs.
Until now, you have to compromise before you can enter. Tapos may nahuli na naman ngayon. Last week,
Yes.
ano ba nahuli nun sa...
Ah, drugs pa. Saka yung baril.
Lahat ng contraband,
Yes.
Mayor.
Lahat na illegal.
Lahat ng bawal,
Lahat ng illegal.
meron sa loob
Pero bakit
ng...
nakapasok yan doon? Yung mga baril, yung mga magluluto.
Ganito talaga ang sakit yan. I'll tell you. I know. Ito kasi yung Bureau of Prisons, pasahan ng pamilya. Pagtapos na siya pa-retire niya, sabihin niya doon sa chief niya, boss, ang aking anak papasok. Paaralin niya yan ng kurso gaya ng, depende sa sitwasyon niya, where he finds himself in this world. I mean, just an ordinary guard, pa-eskwela niya ng pulis, pagka-pulis. Tapos may credentials na, boss, ang anak ko naman ipapalit. For generation, pati yung penal colonists. The penal colonists just the same. From one family to another. One generation to another. Pati itong Scalawag, I need men to develop the hinterlands of Jolo. Pati Tawi-Tawi. Baka gusto ninyong ma-assign doon. Zamboanga would be a good assignment. Kumbal, Bale, Surigao. Yan ang magandang choice assignments. Kasi bakbakan araw-araw.
Titrabaho araw-araw.
Huwag ninyo akong pilitin. Kaya sabi ko, you have to come to terms sa sarili ninyo. If you are into kaya ng mga generals sa police, consider retirement. I will pay you. Pero hindi ko kayo paabutin sa yung double the salary. I will not give you the... Before, kung ayaw ninyo, sabihin ko publicly, you get out. Because you are tainted with drugs. Wala masyado sa army. I'll explain. Because sa army, hindi nakakalabas ng kampo yung mga sundalo. But the only time makalabas kay with the express order of the camp commander. Hindi kagaya ng police pagkagabi, they fan out, duty niya 6 to anong oras, they go there report, and they fan out all over the city. Paski kung ng drugs, yung gambling, hantak dyan. Ganon yan. Kasi, hanap buhay, kasi naman, ang liit nga ang sweldo. 14,000 ang starting salary. How can you survive with the 14,000? Kaya dublado, I cannot run a country with a corrupt law enforcement. We will never solve the problem. I'll tell Congress, give me the money because I have to fix our government. Dito man si Alan, kung nandiyan pa siya, siya na makiusap. We need the money to double the salary to fix government. Otherwise, I will end up whining why we cannot give what the people are asking. Ganun yan eh. So, wag tayong magkahiyaan. Ngayon, dublado na ang sweldo ninyo, wag ninyo akong hiyain. If you're a policeman and you stick with your racket, my God, mamili ka. Either patayin mo ako o papatayin kita. Prangka-prangka tayo. For 22 years, 23 years na. Never had any single case of corruption. Pero itong nagsasalita, there will be some reckoning about this. I will not go after my political opponents. I am not up to it actually. Pero itong nangyari ngayon sa Scarborough Shoal, that we lost it, after a certain senator, si Trillanes, went back and forth at the behest of the president. And there was already a raucous there, Spratly. And finally, after the 16th visit, we lost the Scarborough Shoal. And there was no reaction at all from our commander-in-chief, the president. Wala. Hinayaan lang as almost there was a stand down. We didn't even bother to send a bangka of the Navy